Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. Y'all know me. Once I get on my pasta kick, I can't stop preparing pasta. I love me some pasta. I'm gonna show you guys today how to make a sausage and peppers pasta. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our spinach. I'm using some hot Italian sausage here, heavy whipping cream. I'm also using linguine pasta here. Now you can use spaghetti, that works also, but you want to use a long form pasta. It works better with this particular dish. We have flour, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. In this dish we have seasoned salt, black pepper, and some smoked paprika, Dijon mustard, olive oil, minced garlic, and a chopped onion. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right guys, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and start preparing your pasta according to the box instructions. You guys don't need any instructions on how to do that. So we're gonna start here at our cooktop, turn that temperature up. We're gonna add our sausage. All right, and you're just gonna start breaking that up as it cooks. All right, so our sausage is cooked all the way through. We're gonna pause our heat. We're gonna move it and add it to a plate lined with paper towels so we can get that grease drained, all right? We'll come right back. All right, so we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add our olive oil along with our onions, yellow peppers, red peppers, and we're gonna cook these for about 7 to 8 minutes until they're softened and slightly brown. Let's sprinkle this with a little salt, a little pepper. All right, so we're about 8 minutes in. We're gonna reduce our heat down to around a medium. We're gonna add our butter and our minced garlic. We're gonna cook this till the butter is completely melted. And once your butter has completely melted, we're gonna take our flour and we're gonna add that. We're gonna stir this around for about a minute. Make sure we stir it real good, there are no lumps. After you're about a minute in, you wanna slowly start adding your heavy whipping cream along with your Dijon mustard. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this stirred in. And let this cook for about a minute. Keep your heat on medium. Now we're gonna add our dry spices in there, our seasoned salt, smoked paprika, and black pepper. Now we're gonna come back in with our sausage. We're gonna get that mixed in here. If your sauce is a little bit too thick, add a little bit more heavy whipping cream in it. It's supposed to thicken, but you don't want it to thicken too much before you get your pasta in there. It's gonna soak up some of that heavy cream too. All right, now we're gonna add our spinach. Of course, we're gonna cook this and let this wilt down. All right, now you see that our spinach is wilted down. We're gonna take a couple of tablespoons of that pasta water. We're gonna add it here. Right before we add our pasta, just like that. And we're gonna get this moved around in here like that. Guys, take a look at that. Man, that is so beautiful right there. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and move over to our cutting board for the final presentation. All right, guys, we're just gonna add some Parmesan cheese to this, like that. And there you have it, guys, sausage and pepper pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test this baby out, all right? All right, this quality control, we're gonna bring this pasta up to the front of the congregation. Guys, man, whoo. Let's go ahead and take a bite of this baby. Oh man, on one bite, I got some spinach, I got some sausage, I got some pasta. Oh man. Can't go wrong with this one here. This one here is absolutely delicious. Wow. Get in the kitchen. Make this here. All right? To the end. Y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.